Good morning. Well, it is morning, Wednesday morning, March 12th. And I've got a project I'm working on, and I have been working on it for a little while, but these are the pictures. It's hard to tell, the sun, it's morning, but this is the vehicle right there. It is a Land Rover Discovery, and it is 2003, and I got it at an auction, and I've done a few repairs, made sure it does run. That's it. It's on the trailer. It needs tires, needs various other things, cosmetics, as well as under the engine I've replaced some carpet. Pretty much, I'm not gutting, well, seats, yeah, it's for sure getting a makeover. So probably gonna do the headliner. I got new seats, not new seats, but I'm going to the salvage yard today. But carpet replaced. The front, I'm getting the carpet in the front. Some of the trim over here, I have to redo some wiring, the door skin on the inside. This panel right here for the back, the light on the back. I replaced this tail light already, but I need to replace the other side, but I have to find it. Got to get new tires, but under the engine, I did the oil. I replaced a lot of the upper and the lower radiator hoses. Right there, upper and lower radiator hoses. I replaced the fan. It was all busted up. Replaced this, the coolant and some vacuum, some miscellaneous things, hopefully spark plugs, and the battery, of course. Did not have a battery. The front bumper right there, which I still got to get the other piece. I have it, but it's kind of cracked. That's this side. I mean, body is in fairly good shape. Interior, there's some things that need fixed on it, but overall, I think it's going to be a good truck. I've read a lot of the reviews on this Discovery model, and for sure it is. Yeah, those are the seats I took out. Hopefully maybe I can get some sold on eBay, but yeah, it's kind of my project car at this point. And what I'm gonna do is fix it up, see how it's doing, and then make a decision on. I've been wanting to get an SUV for the dogs instead of putting them in the truck. It's a lot easier with an SUV so that they're not all crowding my space. But I need to make sure it's reliable, and which I think it will be. It's got a good engine. It's one of those 4.6 old Buick engines, 4.6 V8. So the research I've done is it's pretty reliable, and they're very strong engines. And of course, the Land Rover's Safari tested. So I know it could get, places. But anyway, I just wanted to kind of share that. Still got the old camper and chickens. So we're making progress. Still trusting in the Lord every day. Paying attention and keeping up as much as I possibly can with the current events of the world, and just prop engine. So yeah, God is good. And I pray everyone out there is doing well and hanging in there, getting things done, making yourself ready. So stay encouraged, stay busy, stay doing things that will mean something, and even things that just keep you active and in the game, in the race. So I hope everyone has a blessed day, and talk soon.